So today we are going to start, that is a BSc third semester. So online classes, that mathematics paper 1. First I will discuss about the syllabus, what are the syllabus we have in the, so that is the third semester, BSc third semester it is. BSc third sem. BSc third sem. For BSc third sem, so paper 1, in the paper 1 we have a 5 units. So mainly that is mathematical logic, real analysis 1, real analysis 2, sequence series, sequence 1 and sequence 2. So these are the units we have that. So in these units, so firstly we will start with the mathematical logic and real analysis 2, sequence and series. So you have already known about the mathematical logic, sequences, but you have to study about the real analysis. So that we are going to study, that is deeply. So some properties are there, so theorems are there. So for example, mean value theorem, which we have studied in the first year, second year, mean value theorem, Lagrangian theorem. So those theorems are comes here, and also Cauchy's theorem. Those theorems are we are going to study in the real analysis. In the sequence and series, sequence we have already known that. So in this sequence we have to discuss about the convergent sequence, divergent sequence, oscillating sequence. So and also there we have the conditions for the convergence, Cauchy sequence, so Riemann sequence. So those sequence and the theorems, most important theorems we are going to study in the unit 1 and 2. So these are the 5 units we have to in a paper 1, and still 5 units we have in the paper 2. So in the paper 2 we get. So next we come to, that is the paper 2. In the paper 2, the first unit is group theory 1 and group theory 2. So you have already studied about the group theory. So groups you know that. So using those groups we have to study, that is the deep study of the group theory. Group, when we say that is group, we have already known that. So those definition and certain theorems will get in the group theory. Next, the third unit, that is application of definite integral. So these are very familiar with us. Why? Because we have studied in the second. So that is application of definite integral in the second year for curves. So area between the curves, so area bounded by the line and the curve. So here we have to find out the area bounded by the sphere, cylinder. So those we have to find out by using the definite integral. Next, so already we know that is differential equation, linear differential equation, homogeneous differential equation. So variable separable of a differential equation, those things which we are studying in these two topics. So this is about the BSc third sem mathematics paper 1 and paper 2. In the paper 1 we have a 5 units, in the paper 2 we have a 5 units. So let me start, that is the paper 1. In that paper 1 we have to start, that is a mathematical logic. So let me give the brief idea about the mathematical logic, which are the topics, main subtopics in the unit 1, that is a mathematical logic. So what we have, though, what are the contents in the mathematical logic, that we are going to discuss. So next we come to, that is the first unit in the paper 1. First unit in the paper 1, that is mathematical logic. We are going to start that. In that mathematical logic, first unit, we have to discuss about the basic definition, logical connectivities, tautology and contradiction. So tautology and contradiction, laws of logic. So certain laws we will get. So those laws, and also converse, inverse and contrapositive of a conditional statement. So mathematical structure, quantifiers and methods of proofs. So certain laws will get. First we will discuss about a mathematical logic. So what we have already known what we mean by the mathematics, and logic means we have already known that logic means So we should study, if you want to study that anything, so with a reason we should have to know about that, what it is there. Logically we have to think that. So ತರ್ಕಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ. So that study of mathematics, so that is logically. So in that we need certain definition which we have already studied in the first PUC. So about the mathematical logic. So before that, so basic definition means first we have to know about the sentence. What we mean by the sentence? Sentence means what? It is a group of words. What we call? It is nothing but the group of words which gives the complete meaning. So in that, if you know about the sentence, there are different types of sentence we have already studied in the English. So types of sentence we observe, that is assertive sentence, which we also call it as a declarative sentence. Next, imperative, exclamatory, next interrogative sentence. So these are four kinds of, and negation of the sentence. So these all we know that. Let me clarify what we mean by the assertive sentence, for which we call as an assertive sentence, the sentence which have a definiteness. ಯಾವ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ನಾಗ ಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ? ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅದ್ರಾಗ, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಸಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ so that is the assertive sentence. For example, 2 is a prime number, it is a definite. 2 is a prime number, it is a definite, it never changes sometime after some time. So then it is called as a assertive sentence. Declarative is there. So next we move to that is a so imperative sentence. What we call for imperative sentence? Imperative sentence andre enri, for which we call as an imperative sentence, so which have the order and command. Order ಮತ್ತು ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಲ್ರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ಇಂಪೆರೇಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟು, ಆರ್ಡರು ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ? ಇಂಪೆರೇಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲಾಮೇಟರಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಸಡನ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸಡನ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲಾಮೇಟರಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೇವ್ರಿ. The sentence which containing a sudden feeling, oh else, so like this, oh my god. So these are called as a exclamatory sentence. Next we call as a questioning sentence, interrogative sentence anta ಹೇಳ್ತೇವ್ರಿ. So which containing the question mark, so WH questions which start with a W, so they are called as a interrogative sentence. So here we cleared about the sentence. Next we have to know about the statement. Statement andre enri? What we mean by the statement? Statement means what? A sentence is said to be a statement if it is an assertive sentence or it is a declarative sentence. So one sentence ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. A sentence is said to be an either true or false but not both, then it is called as a statement. A sentence which is either true or a false, true ಆಗ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ false ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, not both. So then we say that it is an statement. A sentence is said to be a statement if it is either true or false, so or not both of them, then it is called as a statement. Avag statement one example kodunri. For example, 5 is a prime number. Prime number 5 is a prime number, so it is a sentence. So whether it is a statement, okay, it has a definiteness. So it has a definiteness. So it is only true. 5 is a prime number. It will never changes after some of days, some after that. So it is not a prime number. So for this week it is a prime number. Next week it is not a prime number. Like that it is not there. It is a fix. 5 is a prime number. Or we can say that is 2 is a even even prime number, even prime number, even prime number. So these are called as a statement. ಇವಕ್ಕೇನಂತೀವ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತೀವ್ರಿ. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಐತ್ರಿ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಐತ್ರಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೋಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವ್ರಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಿಪೋಸಿಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? So it is a well defined. We have that is a definiteness is there. It is not changing that. So and we will say that is 3 is a even number. Even number. 3 is a even number. So it is a false. It is a false. But it will never become a true. Idu true agudulri. False re idu. 3 is a even number. False it is. It will never become a true. So 3 ಏನ್ರಿ ಇವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತನ್ರಿ? ಇಲ್ರಿ, ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 3 ಏನ್ರಿ ಅದು ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಬಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಐತ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡೇ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಇವನ್ ನಂಬರ್. ನೋ ಸಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ 3 is a even number is a false statement. So this is a statement. So next we'll take that is another example for the statement. So that is, for example, Bangalore is a capital of Karnataka. It is a fix. So whether it changes tomorrow, Bangalore is a capital of, so that is a Karnataka, it never changes. So it is a statement. So Delhi is a capital of India. So it is a fix. So it never changes. Whether tomorrow is going to change that? No, never. So that is the, so we can see that is so many example for which sentence we call as an statement. And what about the remaining sentence, whether they becomes the statement or not? The main important thing which we have to remember for the statement, which type of a sentence are considered as a statement in a mathematical logic means only that is a assertive sentence, which we call them as a declarative sentence. ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಅಂಥ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವ್ರಿ ನಾವು? ಸೊ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್? ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ವೆದರ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, or imperative, exclamatory, interrogative. You come to know that is. So shut the door. If I ask that whether it is a sentence, which type of sentence? So that is shut the door. It is an order, means imperative. Imperative sentence are not considered as a statement. So imperative, exclamatory, interrogative. So these sentence are not considered as a statement. ಅವಕೂರ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So for which we call them as a statement, we came to know that the sentence which having the only the assertive sentence, a sentence assertive ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನು ಕರಿತೇವ್ರಿ? ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತೇವ್ರಿ. ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ ಅ ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. So remaining are not considered as a statement in a mathematical logics. They are simply called as a sentence. So after that we have to study about, we came to know that what we mean by this statement. So next we study that is about the connectives and a compound statement. Compound statement andre enri, for which we call as a compound. Compound andre enri ಕೂಡಿಸೋದು. So we have to join that. If two or more statements are combined together to form a statement, that is called as a compound statement. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ? compound statement ಅಂತೇವ್ರಿ. So to combine them we need the connectives. We have already known about the connectives of in the English alphabet. English. So for which we call them as a connectives. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ connectives ರೀ? First and, or, if, then, if, and, only, if and only if. So these are the connectives, and also that is a not. So these are the connecting words which we call them as an connectives. ಇವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವ್ರಿ connectives ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವ್ರಿ. So we can connect these two statements by these connectives. And what is the symbol we are using for the connectives in mathematical logic? For the and we consider as a reverse cap, and for a or we indicate the symbolical representation of the or. So for the and we call as a conjunction. And ಗೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ conjunction ಅಂತೇವ್ರಿ, or ಗೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ disjunction ಅಂತೇವ್ರಿ, if then ಗೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ conditional ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವ್ರಿ. ಈ ತರ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವ್ರಿ. ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಂಗೆರಡು ಗೆರಿ ಕೊಡ್ದು ಹಿಂಗೂ ಬರಿತೇವ್ರಿ, if then. So next if and only if ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಬರಿತೇವ್ರಿ, that is double arrow mark and double side, if and only if. So this is a symbol we are using for a if and only if. So for a not, that is a negation like this. So and which we call as a condition, so that is a conjunction. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀರಿ conjunction ಅಂತೇವ್ರಿ, or ಗೆ disjunction ಅಂತೇವ್ರಿ, if then ಗೆ ಏನಂತೀರಿ conditional ಅಂತೇವ್ರಿ, if and only if ಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವ್ರಿ biconditional ಅಂತೇವ್ರಿ, negation. ಸೊ ಇವು ಆದ್ಗಳೇನ ನಾವೇನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ converse, inverse, contrapositive of what? That is a conditional statement. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ರೀ ನಾವೇನು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕ್ರಿ tautology or a contradiction. Tautology ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, if the given compound statement is true for all the, so its component statement, if the given compound statement is true for all the condition of the component statement, then it is called as a tautology. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ tautology ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. If any one of them, for any one of the, so that component statement, if the compound statement is false, then we call it as a contradiction. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ contradiction ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವ್ರಿ. So here we have to study about the conditional. Conditional ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ conversion of the conditional statement. So that is converse, inverse, contrapositive. So these are the conversion of the conditional statement which we are going to study that. ಇವಕ್ಕೂರ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ, ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ, ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದದನ್ನ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ. and these statements are indicated by the small letter P, Q, R. So ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎದರಲ್ಲೇ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ P, Q and R. So we are using these P, Q, R for ಡಿನೋಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಈ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ P, Q, R ನ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್, so two statements are connected by the and, that is a compound statement. It will become a compound statement and we write that is P, Q, that is P and Q. So what is the truth value of the compound statement of the conjunction? Conjunction the truth table ಏನಾಗತ್ರಿ? So P, Q and P and Q. What is the truth table? Truth table means what? The truth value of truthfulness or a falsity of the given. Constructing the table, so of the using the truth values of the component statement, so which we get that is the truth value of the compound statement. Formation of the table for the truth value of the given compound statement is called as a truth table. So first we'll see that is a truth value of P. So sometimes it is true, true, true ಇರಬಹುದ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಬಹುದ್ರಿ? True, true, false, false, false. Next it may be true, false, true, false. So what about the conditional statement? It is true only. Conjunction ಯಾವಾಗ ಟ್ರೂ ಇರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, ಎರಡೂ ಟ್ರೂ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಟ್ರೂ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. If both are true, it is true. Are the remaining cases, it is false. True false, that is false. False true, also false. False false, also false. So this is a truth table for the, that is a conjunction and degree. So this is a truth table for the conjunction. Next, truth table for the disjunction. So truth table for the disjunction, P R Q. So true, ಎರಡು ಟ್ರೂ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಟ್ರೂ ಇರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಟ್ರೂ ಇದ್ದು ಇದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರ, so that is true. It is, if P is false, then Q is also true, then it is true. Both are false, then it is a false. This is the truth table for the disjunction. So this is about which we have to study in the next video classes. So about if and then conditional, if and only if. So we will give the brief notes about this statement, that is a mathematical logic, in the tomorrow so video classes. So okay, thank you.